is Rahul.
This is Sarvesh.
And you're watching Remote Control Toys.
So guys, hope you enjoyed our last video. And in this video we come up with a new toy. It's the new RC helicopter. So here we start up with the box accessories. This is the box of the helicopter. And this box contains a piece of helicopter. As you can see, the helicopter is made up of durable plastic body, which is for good resistance. And here is the charging slot of the helicopter. And this is the charger of the helicopter, which is connected here. And the other end of the charger is connected to the adapter. So it includes one button here, switch, which is used for on and off of the helicopter. And here is one light, which is used for the indication of the charging and to catch the signals with the remote. So guys, we can see here, this is the remote of the helicopter, and this remote requires 4 AA cells for the power. And these are the buttons which controls the helicopter. And as you can see, this is the power button of the remote. This is the power button of the remote, and this is the takeoff button for the helicopter. This is the direction buttons for the helicopter. And these are the channel buttons by which we can change the channels of the helicopter.
enjoy the fly with the helicopter. If you like this video,
please comment on our video.
Do not forget to subscribe Remote Control Toys.